Thousands get their hands on iPhone 15 on first day of launch in stores. Once again, as an annual ritual, thousands flock to the main Apple stores around the world on Friday, the date of delivery of the new iPhone phones, to those who had reserved to obtain the iPhone 15. iPhone fever renews every year from China to America, passing through the Emirates, India, Europe and the rest of the world. Before we talk about it more, welcome to Get Malumat. If you are new to the channel, please must subscribe to our channel and must like this video. We provide you with the latest updates and news of the science and tech world to keep you updated. Jumping to the video. In the main store in China, which is located in the center of the capital, Beijing, thousands lined up on Friday morning to obtain the latest iPhone, despite market fears that nationalist enthusiasm would weaken the American company's sales in China. Apple began delivering the iPhone 15 on Friday in 40 cities around the world after pre-orders began on 15th September. This year's release comes as the smartphone giant faces economic and political headwinds in its third largest market, China. In Mumbai, the situation was not much different, although queues were not usual in front of the new Apple stores there, and visitors began rushing to buy a smartphone in Apple stores in the Indian business capital. Thousands of people waited in front of Apple stores in the Dubai Mall and Mall of the Emirates to receive the new phone on Friday morning, amid great efforts from the management of the two shopping centers and Apple to organize the delivery process according to the priority of reservation and the availability of supply for purchase from the stores. The UAE was among the first countries in the world to provide the iPhone in the company's stores in the country, in both Dubai Mall and Mall of the Emirates in Dubai and Galleria Mall in Abu Dhabi, which in turn witnessed hundreds of buyers rushing in on the first day of delivery. Through the iPhone 15, Apple seeks to restore growth momentum in sales amid strong competition in the global phone market, especially from Samsung, Huawei, and other Chinese brands. The first few lucky customers were able to lay their hands on the brand new iPhone 15. The Apple enthusiasts, waiting in the queue for hours, were allowed inside the store in a staggered entry process to avoid overcrowding. Many had reserved their iPhones in advance to be among the first to experience the latest technological marvel from Apple's online store. In an attempt to get their hands on the coveted smartphone, residents have been queuing up at the Dubai Mall, the biggest Apple store in the country. Dubai Mall authorities made extensive arrangements to ensure the safety and security of the crowd. Security personnel were deployed to manage the queues. The accumulating crowd has been organized into long queues that snake down from the second floor to the mall's ground floor. That's all for this video so far. If you enjoyed the video, please share, like and subscribe to get the latest updates. Till then, take care.